Hey, hello once again YouTube, this is Mike Roadway and I am here today just to talk about one super cheap and easy mod you can do to your Subaru BRZ or GR86, and it is right here. So as you can see, I just did a little bit of a splash of plaid and it only took maybe 15 minutes. So if you're interested in something like this, doesn't necessarily have to be plaid. You can go ahead and wrap it, you can paint it, whatever suits your fancy, but you can get yourself a little pop of color. So stay tuned, we'll get to it and I'll show you how to wrap this up. This is a pretty simple panel to take off. Old panel, it actually conceals a bolt or two that ultimately aids you if you wanted to pull off the entire shifting mechanism and center console. There we go. Screwdriver works the best. And there we are. We are back inside, and as you can see in front of me, I dramatically over-ordered when I got the plaid for my little door card inserts. So I ordered two yards and I've got a ton left. So for this, it's actually beneficial because I have enough to wrap this. I would say I have definitely enough to wrap this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a very plaid-centric section of this fabric to incorporate as much of the red and lines as I can. I think that'll look the best. So it's going to be something like, maybe like this. And I'll try to like center these two lines. I think that'll look pretty classy. And we'll give it a go. So let me go ahead and cut this out and then we'll get ready to actually wrap it with some headliner adhesive. So I've trimmed out an initial piece of plaid that's ultimately going to go onto this little trim piece. So I'm going to try to incorporate a red line, a gray line, and then all of these white lines in the plaid pattern, and it'll be something like, I think something like that. And that way I've got plenty of red stitching in, and I think it should look pretty slick. So let's try to get this as centered as I can so it'll look good. I think something like that. And then I will go ahead and trim all the sides so there's just enough so I can lip it over and seal it behind with the headliner adhesive. And I'll see if I can notch out just little cuts so that way when I wrap it over, I won't get over these tabs. These 4 tabs are the only items that really stick it back into the car, and this is just kind of like a guide tab. So go ahead and trim it down. Mission accomplished on this portion. I went ahead and cut all these little grooves out, little pieces of fabric, so that way when I pull this over, you can see this. This is one of the guide tabs. I'll pull this over once I spray it with headliner adhesive and it won't block this so I can reinsert. Same goes with all of these. So now it's the moment of truth. I'll step outside. I will heavily spray the front and the back of this tab, and then I'll start folding over and see how this looks. All right, we are outside. Here is the same thing I used for my door panel inserts. The 3M headliner adhesive. I have it on setting medium. And let's go ahead and spray this piece down. Just make sure we got her straight across. Line up the tab. And here is the piece all complete. We'll go ahead and insert it into the car. And that is all there is to it. Now we have official plaid in the center. I'll see how it goes over the next couple weeks. I am absolutely in love with these door panels. If I stay in love with this, I'll retain. Otherwise, I will be going to eBay or to the Subaru parts store, and I'll get myself another OEM piece and just swap it out in the 10 seconds that it takes. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this little project, go ahead and shoot the video a like. Subscribe if you want to see more. As always, team, drive on.